Hey YouTube, I'm out here in the winter, of course, because it's winter in my area. Let me just get in the frame. So with me today I have the SKYDIO and I also have the Autel EVO. So why do I have these two drones? Well, it's because they're both pretty much the same price, $999 US, $999 US. And when you look at the specs for the cameras on both of these drones, they are pretty much identical. Yeah, I think they use the same Sony sensor. The only thing they didn't use was the processor. A little bit different on this one than this one. So this is just going to be a video of the cameras on both of these here drones. I'm not going to show you the features because, well, the SKYDIO has the best obstacle avoidance and follow me features in the world. This one, nope. But the Autel EVO is a real drone with a long range, long flight time, and a lot of cool flight features. And this one, a lot of follow me features, but all the other stuff, no, not really. So anyways, let's check it out. Autel EVO. Ready to go. All right, SKYDIO, you're next. Pull you out. All right, probably not a great idea to fly them this close together upon takeoff. I'm sure something's gonna go wrong. So how about I move SKYDIO, move you way over here. All right, now since the EVO has a longer flight time than the SKYDIO, I'm gonna take you up first and you will start to track me. There we go, EVO, put you over there. There we go, so I have the Autel EVO up right now and it is recording at 4K 60 frames per second. Same as every other camera that's in this video, everything is 4K 60 frames per second because that is what these cameras are all about. And now we'll take the SKYDIO up. I'm just gonna use my phone for the SKYDIO. I don't need a controller for the SKYDIO because I'm just gonna stick it in track mode. Let's go, SKYDIO. Turn around, find me. And there I am. There we go. Now it's tracking and I will put it to track me from the front. So here we go. Let me get away out here. I can't control the EVO because I didn't bring the controller. I left it over there. So I'm just going to control the SKYDIO and try to get the SKYDIO to go in about the same area. It should keep coming. Should keep coming. There we go. We got to about the same now. Hopefully the SKYDIO doesn't crash into the EVO, or else that's going to be one expensive accident. All right, so this should be pretty good. I have no idea where the Autel EVO is pointing the camera, but I will trust that it's pointing in the right direction. 60 frames a second on the Autel EVO at 4K, 60 frames a second on the SKYDIO 2 at 4K. So you should see the same thing. Now the SKYDIO does not sit in the air as nice as the EVO. The EVO is like rock solid, it's not moving. The SKYDIO, it's going up and down. I have the track mode taken right off, so I've just told it to sit in the air still and not move. But it's moving all over. Now it's sitting still. Okay, now it makes a liar out of me. All right, so that's basically it. Nothing exciting. How about let me just take these over this way. So you should have the EVO following me this way, which is great. And my insane SKYDIO, which looks like it's on some sort of medication, flying all over the place, following me this way. So that's the difference between a drone that is designed for one thing and a drone designed for a totally different thing. Okay, SKYDIO, you're in the trees. What are you doing there? This is the cool thing about the SKYDIO. She's not going to crash. She's over there in the trees, so she'll be okay. Put my phone down over here. I'm going to bring the EVO down, stop tracking, and come on over to me, and come on down nicely. There we go. The EVO has landed, and now I'm going to get the SKYDIO to come over here and land. I just have to do this. SKYDIO, come on over here. The SKYDIO is down. All right, let's see if I can do this. Over there, someplace away down there, there's a whole bunch of people ice fishing and it extends way the heck down this river. So I'm gonna fly both drones over this area. Obviously, the heights might be different, you know, the camera angle might be different. So I'll just switch in between the videos and show you what is what. And you can see what drone image looks better to you. They're both gonna record at 4K 60. Here we go. All right, I'm about to fly the SKYDIO, and what happens? The sun comes out of the clouds. So the Autel EVO was in the clouds. SKYDIO, well, you're gonna get a little bit of sun as I'm going. So here we go, take off. All right guys, so the SKYDIO 2 was so lucky it had sun. The sun is out, and the Autel EVO, no sun. So the Autel EVO footage is kind of like maybe dull. And the SKYDIO 2, well, it might look bright and cheery because of the sun. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. It wasn't anything exciting. Stay tuned for more videos. If you enjoyed this one, please give it a thumbs up. I better get this drone off the road before cars come. And we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.